well, it's raining now, but it's snowing again. Right, so this car we put in earlier today because I didn't want it to stay in the snow, and then it stopped. It's kind of stopped snowing now, but it's gonna stay. This, the only thing I want to do today before we go out is I want to put the reverse camera on it. I got a while ago, which is somewhere in this very messy garage that people like to point out is a messy garage.
Yep.
Yes, it is.
I know where the camera is, though.
But wait, I'm not going to put this stuff in the house, am I? We'll clear it up before I get another car that will sit here.
No.
Yeah. There were loads of basic ones. This one is a little bit less basic because it has infrared lights at the side, because I didn't want one that was useless at night. Amazing.
Wow.
Let's focus on the lighting outside. First things, need to dry it off because it does have a bit of snow on it.
Yep.
Which would make it not stick.
It's not going to work if it's wet.
I want to adhesive it on. I think it's got adhesive on it. It might actually want us to screw it in, but surely should. Yeah, it's got adhesive on it.
Oh, so we can just stick it on. Easy.
The annoying thing is going to be wiring the cable, so we'll figure that out when it comes to it. We could fit it in the back of there. Well, I changed my mind. We're not doing it today because it'll take too damn long and I'm lazy. Basically, I have to take the whole bloody thing off, and I have not got time for that because we've got to do some drifting before the snow goes. Firstly, you know that I'm hosting a design competition with this car in where you can win Black Pants merch. I wasn't actually purposely wearing that, I just put it on. But you can win some pants by designing this, or you can buy it. There's a link down below, as always, if you want to buy it. I think a few ideas that I've got that people are really kind of sending me now. The body lines, work with the body lines really. For example, there's a really nice kind of body line on the hood you can see here. I thought like a cool black stripe maybe here even. Like just kind of making the bonnet black at this point and keeping the rest purple. I mean, only a little bit. Might be quite cool. A stripe using this line right here might be quite cool. One thing I'm really set on that people keep sending me is having this black. I know there's a carbon fiber sticker you can get, or a panel that sticks on here, which is also something I might do, but honestly, it might just look cool making it black to kind of match the other accents around the car. The composition is still ongoing. I'm gonna keep it running for a while before I decide exactly what I'm gonna do to this car. But it's looking good so far, so keep sending them in. One thing I can do with this car that's bugging me is this sticker. I want to get rid of it. It's obviously to do with when it was bought, where it was bought, and that sort of thing, but I want to get that thing off because it's nasty and it's old. I would say look how satisfying this is, but it's not coming off properly. So it's not satisfying in the slightest. God damn. When I was cleaning out Lexi, I actually found a few things in here that are quite nice. Oh, they're in the door. Okay, well, there they are. So I found some stickers. So that is actually a large white one. Unfortunately, I think it's too large to actually make any practical use of, but we'll see about that. And I also have quite a few other stickers. So I got my Instagram. I think it was or was it Twitter? I think it was Twitter. It was really large. It was a bit too small for kind of a big banner, but and then a car throttle one and car throttle. I doubt those are official in the slightest, but they were cheap. It's been a while since I showed Smokey and Jeff, and Smokey is not doing too great. His eyes are really sore, but he's doing better. He's doing much better. We went to the vet and they kind of told us what to get him. And Jeff is sneezing. I don't think it's cat flu. They don't think it's cat flu, which is hopeful. But he's so big now.
I know. He's getting big too.
Yeah.
Ow.
Just about to head out in that, but I want to show you the little rig that I set up because it was raining / snowing. I tied, duct taped an umbrella, a little one, to a tripod. Isn't that the best thing ever? Are you ready?
Ready.
We're going on an adventure. Let's try and find some actual snow that isn't melted. Cool yellow Mustang there. I'm driving, I shouldn't be focusing on this. All right. This is where I did actually slide a little bit earlier, I'm gonna be honest. Oh, it might be a little bit open. I'm not gonna do it here, I mean over there. So people have just kind of come into the middle, which is a little bit annoying. I don't have much room. I can see other people have done it. That wasn't me. We saw a Subaru driving earlier and we were like, we know what they're doing. Are they gonna do it? They're going for the big truck.
We just did a little one. Oh, he's going again.
Oh, I might do the same, just like little.
Oh.
I need the windows down so it can focus. I don't think it's just snowing it. Wait, it is a little bit.
A little bit.
We salute you, sir. This traction. Last time I tried, I had traction on. So that course, if those cars weren't there.
Yeah. Oh, geez.
I'd do a little one.
It's just a little one.
Is that okay? Is that approved?
Okay. Watch out for the cars.
Turbo diesel.
Oh god.
Okay. See, I can't do a handbrake turn, so your clothes don't fall off. So I do a snow drift. Have your clothes fallen off?
No.
Damn it! I think we've got a new arrival. Everybody comes to this spot for the same reason, I think.
Maybe he's not. Is he doing
Oh no,
it?
he's going for it!
He's doing it.
In his big van. That's amazing. The day of unlikely drift cars. Is the family car gonna do it? No, they're being sensible, unlike us. I kind of like that it's not snowing anymore. I can kind of stand outside and not die. I do hope it does snow more though, because I would like to kind of. I like going exploring in the snow. It's just very nice. So we're in Tesco car park. I'm not doing some skids like most people would. I may have to get some ingredients to make a mean spag bol. And Americans are like, what's a spag bol? Can you explain for your fellow Americans?
Just spaghetti and pasta sauce.
Yeah, it's spaghetti bolognese. It's what do Italians call it?
I don't know.
I don't know. Someone can tell me. As per usual, got more than expected.
Always.
Well, I wanted to basically start doing online delivery. It's a lot easier. So I ended up. They have a lot of stuff that they don't have online in the store. So I'm stocking up. See how much room we get. A lot is the answer. It's like a bag full of drinks. I've been obsessed with this recently. You can't buy it online on Amazon, Tesco, so might be able to get it on Amazon actually. Let's go. You got a snack?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
All right, so I got everything for a spaghetti bolognese tonight. We usually like decide if we're going to eat out or not on a weekend, or we like get takeaway or whatever, or takeout. I wanted to cook something because I miss making something without actually, because we've been using HelloFresh.
Yeah.
Which is like you choose your meals and they give you everything you want, and it's just kind of got me inspired to be like, you know what?
It makes it fun.
Let's do that. But anyway,
He's head chef tonight.
I am head chef for tonight. Yep, we're going backwards, so it's all right. Stop crying. This is not on a mount, so this may just fall off. But that's the fun.
Oh.
The only thing about this thing that I'm not a massive fan of is the turning circle. But that's what you get when you got all-wheel drizzle. Ooh. Now you have the focus. Say something funny.
How do you catch a naked lady?
With a booby trap.
Hey!
And if it snowed more often like this amount, that would be great. Because I quite like how little snow there is, but at the same time it changes the scenery and makes it look less boring.
Yeah, it makes it
Because the
pretty for a
UK,
day.
in the winter, is the most depressing place you'll ever see. So, it changes it up a little bit. So this is the current state of the office. Me and Meadow have been streaming quite a bit recently, so that's why there's both chairs in here, but this is mainly my office now. But I just wanted to show you the kind of setup that I've got. So I've got some LED lights installed, which are RGB, so I can change the color of them, which is really nice. And also kind of has like, it's just like a mood lighting almost. And the one remote works for both. I have many color options, and I can change the RGB color scale here if I want to. So let's, for example, go for the blue. Ah, very nice. But that background actually suited the red, didn't it? So go with the red again. And also one of my favorites is the fade. So it actually fades between lots of different colors, and I can slow it down and stuff. I've been using this monitor for a while. It's a ROG monitor, Republican Gamers monitor, and it's freaking fantastic. 100 Hertz, Proper ultra wide, 35-inch ultra wide, amazing. It's in the Amazon link down below if you want to go check it out. It has all the details on it, but this thing is absolutely amazing. I'm going to be speaking about more of this setup stuff once I actually do a setup video. Still not 100% complete, still working on some things, but as time goes on, we will update you. It's so weird having just that outside. It's like, where's the spice? I look like some old guy with just an X5 outside. You want some food? You want some wet food, don't you? Well, you can't have it. We started giving them wet foods to kind of give them their medication stuff. So now they probably want it all the time. But they have dry food, so if they're really hungry, they can eat. Smokey doesn't care. Chilling. I knew someone, at least someone, would probably complain if I didn't include the food in the vlog. So I did cook spaghetti. We have 2 separate pot pan things for the meat sauce. Anna doesn't like hot food.
No.
So mine has got, what's the peppers called? Mine have Scotch bonnets in them.
Some of them are fridge stickers. That one's mine.
If you enjoyed the video, be sure to smash like, subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Next time, guys.
Bye.